Imagine transforming a simple dish into a flavorful, health-boosting experience using nothing more than a pinch of ancient wisdom. Greek spices and herbs have long been the heart and soul of Mediterranean cuisine, not just for their taste, but for their incredible health benefits. Greek cooking is rooted in fresh, seasonal ingredients and a deep respect for the natural world. Spices and herbs like oregano, thyme, rosemary, basil, mint, bay leaves, and dill are more than flavor enhancers. They are tools of wellness passed down for generations. In fact, modern science continues to uncover how these ingredients support digestion, reduce inflammation, boost immunity, and even improve mental clarity. Take oregano, for example. Rich in antioxidants and with powerful antimicrobial properties, it's a staple in traditional Greek salads, grilled meats, and savory stews. Thyme, another aromatic hero, brings depth to soups and sauces while supporting respiratory health. Rosemary not only elevates roasted vegetables and fish, but also stimulates circulation and memory. Basil and mint add brightness to dips like tzatziki or modern grain bowls, offering a refreshing twist along with digestive support. What makes Greek herbs unique is their potency. Grown in the Mediterranean sun and often harvested wild, these herbs pack an intense flavor and aroma that make even the simplest meals come alive. And the best part? They're easy to integrate into everyday cooking. In traditional dishes, these herbs are the secret behind the richness of moussaka, the warmth of avgolemono soup, and the complexity of spanakopita. But they shine just as brightly in modern dishes. Think herb-infused olive oil for salad dressings, Greek-spiced hummus, or oregano-laced roasted chickpeas for a healthy snack. The key to using Greek herbs well lies in balance. Use dried oregano generously on grilled meats, but go lighter with thyme and rosemary to avoid overpowering. Fresh dill and mint are best added at the end of cooking for that final burst of aroma and freshness. Adding Greek spices and herbs to your meals not only reconnects you with a centuries-old culinary tradition, but also supports a lifestyle of vibrant health, mindful eating, and joyful living. Which Greek spice or herb are you most excited to try in your next dish?